Alright, I gotta apologize for the terrible sound in yesterday's video. I'm new to live streaming, so I made a mistake with the speakers and the microphone, but I'll fix it for next time, so don't worry. So next time we'll have great sound, at least decent, so you can understand what I'm saying, because you missed the whole lesson. You just see the physical movements, so just turn the sound down on that video if you watch it and copy visual movements that you see. Visually copy the movements. Okay guys, I'll see you later, and I hope I have a great video next time.